Hi beautiful people, I'm sharing with you a very quick square scarf tutorial. For my first look, I folded my square scarf into a half triangular and then I bring one side up, pin it, then I adjust, especially at the front area, neaten that up. Then for the other side, I will need a pin to secure it. Alright. And then neaten it up and you're done. This is quite easy and super simple. Okay, front and back is very neat and nice. Here's my second look. So the same thing, half triangle, and then bring both sides to the front and make sure both sides are equal. You'll need a pin to secure underneath your chin. Done, adjust. Then now bring one side first to the back underneath the pin area. Okay, and then do the same thing for the other side. And you have to adjust it properly, neaten it up, and you're done. For this style, actually you have two ways of styling it, and I'm gonna show you another one for the next look. Alright, for the third style, this style you're going to start from here and then going to take it from the opposite side and then bring it to the back. Then you just have to turn and pin it to secure it. Just neaten it up and you're done. This look is one of the most popular and one of the best styles that I used to wear, especially for square scarf. And for this style, you will need to bring to the front one side longer and the other side shorter, and then you need to pin it underneath your chin area. Okay, and neaten it at your face area, and then take the longer side and bring them upwards. Then back to the front from the other side. Then use a pin to secure it. Adjust it and neaten it up, then you can secure it. Once you're done, now you can take the shorter side, bring it up near your shoulder, and then pin it to secure it. You can actually adjust it whether you want it to be longer or shorter. Our fifth look is quite similar to the first look, or maybe the first style. Alright, so you need to bring to the front one side longer and the other side shorter. The longer side, bring it up, and then you need to pin it to secure it. Once you're done, adjust, neaten it up, bring the excess to the back, adjust how long and short you want to be, and then for the shorter side, you just need to pin to secure it. It's quite similar, isn't it? Lastly, just adjust to your liking, make sure everything is in place, and you are done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is beneficial for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.